Okay everyone, today I want to teach you how to use Excel for analyze the raw data that we got. And first we need to launch the Excel and click on the blank workbook. And after that, we click on cell A1 and type the text monthly sales report for Abu's Bakery as our title. Okay, here I want to show you how to center this title. First, we drag it into the D1 column and go for the alignment section. We search for the merge and center icon and click on the merge and center icon. They will show us the several type of merge and center, and we need to choose the first one. After that, we can click on the B2 column for type the month, and after that go for the cupcake, bread and sales. Okay, now we want to fill up the month column without type all of them. First, we type the January and go for the top of the January column and drag it to the A40 cell. And then they will automatically fill up the other month. We can also use this method to fill up the other pattern information. After that, we need just to fill up the other information manually. Okay, for the first analysis, we want to know the total sales for the whole year. So we click on the A15 cells and type the total sales and do the same thing as the title. We drag it to the C15 column and go for the alignment and merge and center. After that, we use the sum formula, which is equal to the sum, and we can fill the D3 to the B40 column and it will automatically calculate it for us. Okay, we can construct a table by select dataset from cell A2 until D15, then click on the tab Home, then choose Full, go for the borders and click on the all borders, and then here we go, our table is already done. We can create an analysis by analyze it based on the total sales that we got. We can get the average sales, higher sales, and the lower sales for the whole year. Okay, now we want to use all the information in the table to calculate the average sales, higher sales, and the lower sales. For the average sales, we use the average formula and use the D3 to D14. As you can see, when we click the enter, we get the value of the average sales. For the higher sales, we use the max formula, which is equals to the max bracket D3 to D40, and we click the enter and we will get the higher sales. For the lowest, we use the min, which is minimum, to search to calculate the lowest sales. So when we click the enter, we can get the lowest sales. So Excel is a very useful tool for us to make an analysis that is more faster and efficient.